I'm bored, so I'm gonna build a gaming PC. Oh look, it's a gaming PC. Let's put it in a case. Don't forget your I/O shield. Building computers when they're right side up, aka building them sideways, really makes me appreciate just laying it down on the table and just building the computer. Let's get USB plugged in. It's gonna be a nice, cute little PC. Although, if I'm being honest, I won't have much use for it. Someone probably might want it. I don't know, though. There's that pesky USB 3. Imagine going into my comment section and begging for a computer, because that's worked before. Like, imagine thinking that that's how life works. You just go into my comment section and beg for a computer, and then you get one. Because that's worked a lot of times in the past. Because that's usually how I choose people, right? One of the rules of my giveaway is always, make sure you tell me your best sob story. I think we're... power connectors. We're making great time on this build today. Why can't my mic just work all the time? I lost my Titan. Oh, there it is. So, for no reason, we're going with a GTX Titan X. Basically, there's a 2300X, 8 gigs of RAM, single channel, which is garbage for Ryzen. And just like this isn't really good. This isn't exactly what you would call a great gaming PC, but it feels like a retro build, kind of. Now, it's not like, this isn't like, I'm not gonna pretend it's like some old Ryzen. It's a pretty, it's not like new, but it's definitely a pretty modern Ryzen CPU. And it's really nice. It's the 2300X. It's almost useless for, actually, it's basically useless for anything but, like, light gaming. Like, I can't really think, like, definitely not good for editing. It's probably the worst CPU for editing. It's in the same class as, like, a Pentium or a Celeron. It's got 4 cores and 4 threads. Like, it's not... No hyper-threading. It's not really, you gotta get what I'm saying. It's not really... It's for gaming, and it's not great for gaming either. It's just, it exists for gaming. I think the GTX Titan X, aka the 980, is a perfect pairing with it. So I'm just gonna boot this thing up and see if it turns on. Let's grab the cable of doom. Let's grab the other cable of doom. Let's turn it on. Let's see if it works. Hey, it does. Fan spins. I mean, and all the fans are spinning. It's not a bad build. And let's hope this monitor turns on. Definitely gotta figure out a system to get, like, I could probably get the camera at an angle when I clear out some space behind it. But hopefully, if I haven't royally messed this up, the motherboard lights are on, RAM light is on. Everything is plugged in. Oh, darn. Oh, GTX 980, there we go. So, PNY graphics cards, really interesting. Oh, wow, I missed it again. There we go, we got Windows, nice. So we're going to install Windows. I'm going to install Windows on this PC. So, it works. I'm not going to do gaming performance in this video. It's going to be okay. If you want a separate video where I actually hook it up to maybe an external recording PC and actually, like, show the benchmark, see, I mean, roughly speaking, you could get this build for around $300. I've demonstrated better $300 PCs, but this is roughly a $300-ish PC. It's a GTX 980. You can get them for about $100. Those 2300Xs go for like $40 to $60. So we'll just take 50, split the difference. 50, 150, and then the cooler's like, you can it comes with a stock cooler, so don't even worry about that. 8 gigs of RAM, cheap SSD, a cheap power supply, and this cheap Asus B450 motherboard. You could be under $300. So it's a good price for what it is. But I don't know. If you want to see gaming performance, let me know, because I'm not game performance to do the game benchmarks. The most annoying thing is I have to get USBs, and because I don't have like a network storage device, so I have to actually like carry USBs and stuff. I know, terrible problem to have. No, I'm kidding. But it's just, it's a step I don't need to do if no one actually wants to see game performance. But if you want to, leave a comment below, leave a like. Even if you dislike the video, just leave a like. I was really, it's 2 a.m. and I'm extremely bored, so I built a PC. I'm actually happy with how this turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install Windows on it because I think it turned out great. So thank you guys so much for watching this little build. Like I said, if you want to see anything else with this build, I'm probably gonna leave it together until I might put it up for sale, see if someone wants to buy it. I'll keep my 980. I like how it has the Titan X, but I might put the 1060 in here and then call it the build. Who knows? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. I know this was a terrible video, but what else is new? I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.